Okay, here's the thing, and it's been happening for a while now, so I figured I would just get it out there, and maybe, I don't know, maybe somebody else has had experience with it. Here's the thing though, and I don't know who it is, and maybe somebody can help me. I don't know who it is, but here's the thing, and I've heard talks of shadow people and UFOs that have been around and sightings and I don't know, but here's the thing. What I do know for a fact is that somebody has been pissing in my bed and it's not me. Uh cuz well, I know it's not me cuz I know it's not me cuz I wake up with bruises from whoever's doing it. From presumably what would have been me struggling for them not to piss my bed. And I think they're wiping my memory too. Well, I know they're wiping my memory because I don't ever remember who's doing it. And then, and I know they're doing it because I wouldn't do something like that. I have no reason to. I don't gain anything from soaking my mattress. I don't gain anything from that. But these people are either after me for revenge or they're wanting some money from me. I don't know. But every here recently, every weekend and a couple of week mornings, I would just wake up and my pants are soaked, my bed's soaked. I had a busted eye. I don't know. I had a busted eye. Something's happening. And if anybody's had an experience with this, let me know. Let me know. Hey, stay safe, y'all.